Hi friends, welcome to Mayank Digital. Recently, I have shared a note with you guys on our page Mayank Digital. In this note, I have discussed about creating the website, and before creating the website, we should be ready with the certain aspects. And I have told you there are certain paid and there are certain free options through which you can create the website. But whatever option you are opting, depending upon your budget availability and depending upon your resource availability, you can choose either free or paid option. Although free option has some limitations and that may be problematic for learning. So I suggest to go with a paid website option where you can explore a lot of features, and you will not have limitation while altering modifying your page's website and its background as well as the database. But whatever option you are choosing, there are certain things which you should plan for the website. First of all, you should have a fixed domain name of the same, and that domain name of the website means actual name of the website, and this domain name should be matching either to your company name, your product name, or it should be relevant to your business. It should not be a mismatching kind of thing. For example, if you are into the business of healthcare, then you can keep your domain related to health for you or health for all. But you cannot name it like bag and other services. So you should have a domain name which is relevant to your business and which could match for further marketing planning. Hosting is something called where in our website for our website we require to park that data at the digital space, and that data of website which is not only parked but it is also processed from there whenever any user call for any requirement in the website. When he or she is browsing, so once they are giving a call, that server will give the reply on that particular data based on the website design. So we require the hosting also, it is the space. So primarily, before going to create any website, we should have the domain as well as the hosting of the website. And now third thing which is very important is the concept of the website. Concept means whether you are going for a blogging website, you want to write just the articles over there, or you want to sell your product, then you have to create e-commerce site. Either you can have news portal site, you can have a site related to games, you can have a site related to advisory. So you should have a concept ready with you. How do you want to go about when you are creating a site? Then once you are ready with your basic concept, you should be ready with the content which has to be placed in the site. Content could be related to about your company, content could be related to about the services, about your product, about new things which are coming in the industry, about customers feedback on your product, or there could be lot of things. And apart from that, you should also have pages related to blog where you can update your potential customers or the users what new is coming and how they can be benefited from the various services or product of yours. Once you are done with that content, although it takes a lot of time to create the content and it should also be SEO friendly, which I will discuss later in my coming topics. But right now I can tell you that content plays very crucial role in entire marketing process, whether it is about coming in the searches, whether it is about placing mm, content in the social media, email marketing or in the mobile marketing, content plays vital role in every aspect of your marketing. So having right content on web pages is very important, which is first and foremost important thing. And once you are done with it, you should think about designing of your pages, designing of your entire website. And this website is divided basically at two part. One is related to the front end, one is related to the back end. Front end means where people are interacting with your site and whatever content they are viewing on the screen, either of the mobile screen or laptop screen or tablet screen. So there where they are interacting with the site and they are viewing content there, and this all depends on what kind of user interface and user experience you are going to create. For that, currently, three major languages are being used. One is called HTML, another is called CSS, and last one is called the JavaScript. These three helps in figuring out the content, designing the content, as well as designing the template, as well as making it more interactive and making it more meaningful for the users. On the back end, we store the data of the site. It could be related to the programs, also it could be related to the images, it could be related to the content. There are a lot of things which are stored as the database in the backend, and we require a developer to create a proper backend of the site. Although I will teach you through the ready-made template where you don't require either HTML or developer's skill, but you require to work on that template. That is all. And in the backend, most of the people use languages like PHP, .NET, or Java, through which they create the backend. So these are majorly most important component of your site through which you should plan your site. And once you are ready with these concepts, we can proceed further for building the website. Thank you so much for hearing me. Further, I will discuss about free website building creation process by various platforms. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.